everybody, today is the day and we are actually heading already to Laguna Seca. That's right, Laguna Seca. Don't know what to expect. Everything's new to me. I am a morning person, so this whole waking up early is pretty cool. It is currently 5:50 in the morning. We are an hour, about an hour away, an hour and 3 minutes. Maybe a little, if I leave straight, which I'm not, I should get there like at 6:52. Gates open at 7 for driver check-in and all that. But I am taking my cousin as my pit crew man. Gotta take the cousin, as they only allow you one person to go in. And I decided to take my cousin because who else, just in case we need to do some work on some cars. I mean, some work on my car while we're there, or any inspections and stuff like that. That's the guy I'm gonna go with every single time. So we're actually in San Jose right now, and I'm gonna pick him up on South San Jose. He's already ready. I called him to make sure he's awake. So Primo, wake your ass up. Let's go. But yeah, I'm gonna pick him up right now. We're about to get to our exit. He's gonna get some of the tools that he's gonna bring. We talked about it yesterday. We did go to Race Wars, but I didn't take the camera because I just wanted to enjoy the day. You know, just hang out, not be recording and be, you know, having to worry about that. It's a chill day today, another day. So let's get to it. But yeah, I'm gonna get my cousin picked up, load up all his tools, everything, a little tent and everything, and we should be on our way. We're gonna watch the sunset together and shit. Yee! But yeah, do some more. We'll get some more content in, and I'll let you guys know how my first experience there was, how the car performed. Hopefully we make it back in one piece. Everything's cool. But yeah, ready to have some fun, man. So let's get to it. We're here at my cousin's house. Already breaking the rules. So what up, everybody? We're back. We're not really back, we're still in the video. But we are actually outside El Primo. Jesse, as you guys saw in the other video, that was the day of Race Wars, where he wanted to take his car, but we needed to put on his wheels. So we had to do some fitment and whatnot. So I decided to record that because his car hasn't been really that featured in the channel. So I wanted to give his car a little time. So we actually got El Primo coming. Because he needed to get some stuff, but we were ready to go. Probably get something to eat on the way. Should be good. Ahí está. Primo, pues.
What's up?
Ready to go?
Ready. se siente?
Feel pretty good. Finally got it out of my system. First time, Laguna Seca. Pretty good. The car handle, pretty good. Can't deny. Oh, I can't deny it. Don't have much complaints. Found out what I want to work on the car, what it needs, how it feels. So yeah, on to the next one. Y ojalá que el primo se salga en esta, ¿verdad, primo?
Hopefully, yeah.
El EP3 o el FD, y que se traiga Felix el Integra. Pero
Yeah.
sí, lo bueno que no nos tocó la sal, so we're good.
Yeah.
Yeah, got an hour drive back to San Jose. I was gonna say Salinas. An hour drive back to San Jose. Enjoy the drive, cool down. That's pretty much it. We're gonna follow the Team Pandemic Motorsportz trailer. But we chose not to drive. I mean, we chose not to trailer the car today.
Yeah. When you literally daily drive your race car.
Yeah, you drive it to the track and you drive it out.
Yeah.
Thankfully. Thank you. What's it called? Speed SF for hosting the event. Met a lot of new people.
Yeah, I met some pretty cool people
Met some
today.
cool people. Got to see some cool cars.
Got some good feedback.
Good feedback. The staff was pretty cool. They're with helping us out. Like if it's your first time, they were really awesome helping us out. I mean, shout out to the primo Jesse que allá anda for being the pit crew manager, even though he's the only one. But yeah, the primo checking fluids, torquing the wheels, making sure the car is tip top. Hasta pinche aerodynamics le puso ahí the primo. Putting tape, making sure everything's cool. So yeah, it was cool. I told Jesse it was a cool experience to take part in this first track day, and it was with him. Me and him been together in this car scene for how many years, primo?
I want to say good 10 years, maybe a little bit more.
10 years working on cars, and
10 plus.
it was cool coming to. We've been to tracks, but it's the first time, and it was a pretty cool experience. What do you think, primo?
Yeah, pretty cool experience. Even though I didn't get to drive, but I felt it.
It's cool, even though primo didn't get to drive. What's it called? Honestly, I would have done the same for him. Even if you don't drive, it's called being a teammate. Primo?
Oh well. Just primo Tony Pandem for the invitation. I was honored to experience his first experience.
It sounded like never mind. It sounded like something else.
Pues casi, pop your cherry.
Yeah, you see, together.
Yeah.
But yeah, thank you for everybody that's watching our videos. Even though I think they might be outdated because we still haven't edited them. But yeah, hope you guys like all the Laguna Seca content. We're actually recording on the way back home right now. And I still have the GoPro back here. I have pictures. I did get some stuff from the guy there, no?
Yeah. There's a photographer.
Cali Photography.
Yeah.
I'll figure out what the name is and I'll put it in the video. But yeah, shout out to everybody that came out, even though I don't know everybody. But it was cool. Everybody was welcoming. Everybody was cool. We had a lot of fun, and that's what it's about. So yeah, hope everybody likes the videos, and we got more coming. We're gonna try to get to another event where he's gonna bring out one of the cars now.
Still gotta decide what car to bring out, either EP3 or my FD1. So slow car and slower car. But yeah, we'll see which one I decide to bring out.
Yeah, so stay tuned for the next event. and depending on what car we start working on, you guys will see some footage of that if we get a chance to. So we should be ready to go. So we'll see you guys in the next video. Primo, dile bye.
Peace.
Hero.
Hero.